Hi, welcome to The Peaceful Home. I'm Teresa Elling and I'm so glad that you've joined me today. I've recently hit 500 subscribers and I am doing a giveaway. And I just think this is so fun. I decided to purchase a few of my favorite things that I love to use in Farmhouse Decor and give them away. Now this is a win-win because two of you will win these prizes, and also it does give me more exposure in the community. I've got a list of all the rules down below in the description box, but the main two things is you have to be subscribed to my channel and you need to follow me on Instagram. If you haven't done that yet, just head over to Instagram and look me up, Teresa Elling Peaceful Home. Make sure that it is not my old account with my name only, but it also has Peaceful Home attached to it. Let's jump in and see what the prizes are. The first set is these 3 items. Now, each of these gifts are valued at about $20. This one is an apron, and it's actually the exact apron I'm wearing right now. I love it so much. And so I've got 1 apron. The next thing is this set of 2 dish towels. They are beautifully soft, 100% cotton, and great farmhouse colors. And the third thing is a set of wooden spoons. I love my wooden spoons, and I'm going to show you in a little bit just ways that even displaying something as simple as a kitchen tool can bring some farmhouse charm into your home. The second prize is also 3 items. First off, this little artificial plant in a white pot, little feet. I think it's really cute. A set of salt and pepper shakers in cream and gray. And this bamboo tray, Lazy Susan. And again, I'm going to show you how I use Lazy Susans in my home. This is one of my favorite things as well. The first prize winner will be allowed to choose between the 2 sets, and the second prize winner will get the remaining set. I'm going to keep everything with tags on. Everything is new. It will come in its original packaging, just in case you want to use these items as a gift. They would all make beautiful gifts. All right, I'm going to run through these things again and explain to you why I love these items. So this apron is one of my favorites, mainly because of the colors, the pattern, but also the texture and the way it fits. I really love it, and I was able to find the exact same apron, and I like it because you can wear it over the neck, but you also can fold it in half and just wear it at waist size. And I like to wrap around the back and then tie in the front. And so you can wear it either way, and it looks really cute just hanging in your kitchen. To me, farmhouse towels, especially in black and white and gray, are neutral colors that would go in anyone's kitchen. You obviously don't have to stick with neutral colors. At various seasons and holidays, it's a great way to bring a pop of color into your kitchen. But towels look beautiful. I have displayed them before. Goodness, what was that? My Christmas kitchen clean and decorate showed how I stack my kitchen towels in a glass jar so you can see them. But you can put them in a basket or a wooden bowl, or they look nice just hanging over the side of your oven. I love wooden spoons. They are classic country, cottage, farmhouse. Not only are they functional and wonderful to use in baking and cooking, they look so pretty, especially in a white pitcher. I keep a crock full of these right next to my stove at all times, so there's always a spoon handy. I love to pick them up at thrift stores and yard sales, and you can sand them, you can sanitize them and get them perfectly clean. But this way you get kind of a look of spoons that are weathered over time and kind of tell a story. This is one I got recently that is just gorgeous. It's funny that I call a spoon gorgeous, but that's what I think. I think they're just beautiful. Now, sometimes when you buy a new set, you can do a couple of things. You can distress them the same way you would a piece of furniture. You can stain them, you can sand them and beat them up a little bit. And that gives a little bit of variety. But even if you just set them in a stoneware crock or pitcher, they're going to look beautiful in your kitchen. Everyone needs salt and pepper in their kitchen. I use this large hold set right next to my stove for maybe adding a little bit more, like to an entire dish or pot of soup. And then I have this little farmhouse set that we keep on our dining room table. And this set that I found, I just thought was really cute, very neutral, and very farmhouse. Next is the Lazy Susan. And I have a Lazy Susan that is always in the middle of my island. And it's so nice for utensils, napkins, salt and pepper there as well, just anything that you want easily in reach. And it's so nice the way it spins around. I also have several of them in my pantry. Now these ones are plastic, they're not as pretty. I really wanted to open this because the wood is so pretty, but I did want to make sure everything remained in a state that could be regifted. Having Lazy Susans or even simple wooden trays throughout your home, it's just a great way to have a catch-all to contain things like keys and glasses, wallets. There's just so many uses for them, and I have trays all over the house. They're great for an instant charging station as well, on your nightstand for a lamp, for some pens and pencils or a book. There's just endless things that you can do with a Lazy Susan or a tray. I always thought the name Lazy Susan was funny because one of my favorite aunts, her name is Susan, and my Aunt Susie is anything but lazy. She is amazing, creative, industrious, so that term always made me laugh a bit. My final favorite thing for this giveaway is a faux plant. Now, I love real plants and I have them all over my house, and I'm actually getting ready to do a video coming up on using real plants in your home and which ones are really hard to kill. But I also use faux plants. I use them up high in areas where I don't want to have to worry about watering things. I also use them in places like my guest room where I don't go in there every day or even every week or every month. And so I don't want to forget to water a real plant. These are so awesome because it's just a little pop of fresh green color, and you can tuck them just about anywhere in your home, in a bookcase, on a bathroom counter, on a coffee table, and they always look good. And I think this one in particular is really cute. You know that you've purchased a great gift if you want to keep it for yourself, and I really love this one, so I'm very tempted to go back and buy another one. This giveaway will be ending in 2 weeks. I will have the closing date in the description box below, and all of the details will be on Instagram as well. So I do hope that you will enter the giveaway and you have just as good of a chance as anyone to win. Although the more people you tag on Instagram, those are extra entries. Again, I just want to thank all of you that have subscribed for these first 9 months of my YouTube journey. I appreciate you so much, all of your wonderful comments, your likes, your shares. I definitely couldn't do it without you. Best of luck to you on the giveaway. Thank you for joining me today on The Peaceful Home.